What if I tell you you can be free? You can do whatever you want to. If you do just one thing, you have to want it, to desire it, to visualize it, till you go there. Because you can, if you want to. To a cenote, which is like 15 minutes away from here. It's just a smooth, like just one road, and we're all in our bikes. I think it's gonna be so much fun, so let's go. Yeah, I told the guy. Well, this is the cenote called Laguna Kaan Luun. It's actually a lagoon with a cenote in it. It's so beautiful. That's why you can see like turquoise colors, and then you can see like a big blue hole in it. It's just amazing. Today is Sunday, so there is a lot of people in here. I would recommend to come any day but Sunday. But still it's pretty good. And usually cenotes are very, very, very cold, and this one is not. It's perfect. It's perfect. I think it's my first time in here, and I completely recommend coming here. We have had so much fun. You can just bring your own food. There is coconut water on the side, and you can just spend the day in here. There are some hammocks in the water. Hi there! Are you going to your hammock?
Yeah, I'm going to try it.
Okay. Good. And Albert is like here. Albert, how is it?
Kevin.
And that's mine. So, this is from the water. So far, this is my favorite spot. I cannot ask for anything else right now.
Yeah.
To come here, you can take a plane to Cancun, and you can take a bus or a shuttle from there. It's like 2 hours. I highly recommend to take the ADO buses. If you want to know more, there's a previous video where I talk about like the areas, the vibe, where to stay. For the ones who are new here, I started this YouTube channel a few months ago with my friend Miles, and we started it because we like to travel, and honestly I wanted to inspire people. We're about to have 100,000 views. I can't believe it. I'm so happy, and I think this is part of my purpose. So if you're here watching this, thank you so much. And I'm dying to show you my next destination, just out of this world. I have to buy the ticket, but I'm going.